Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds TCL from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And at the fourth line, we have the button Forget this device. You need to tap at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, to reconnect them in the future, you need to select Disconnect button. But let's remove them, so forget this device and forget device. Now we can turn off these headphones by put them to the charging case, and we can close the case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.